Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're stepping into the world of luxury living room design. Imagine a space that blends sophistication, comfort, and timeless style. Whether you're looking to create an opulent escape or elevate your current decor, these luxury living room tips will inspire you to design a stunning, high-end space. Let's get started. A luxury living room starts with a refined color palette. Think timeless neutrals like soft grays, creamy whites, and rich accent colors such as deep navy or gold. This sophisticated palette provides the perfect foundation for creating an elegant, balanced look. When it comes to luxury design, quality is key. Invest in high-quality furniture, think plush, upholstered sofas, a marble coffee table, or a modern sideboard. These pieces not only look exquisite but are made to last, making them timeless investments for your living space. Lighting is essential for a luxurious atmosphere. A statement chandelier, modern floor lamps, or even subtle recessed lighting can add a dramatic yet elegant touch. Lighting sets the mood, so choose pieces that elevate the room and create a warm, inviting glow. Luxury is all about textures. Incorporate high-end fabrics like silk, velvet, and cashmere for your pillows, throws, and rugs. These luxurious textures add depth and comfort, making the room feel both sophisticated and cozy. Artwork is a key element in luxury design. Choose statement pieces that resonate with your style, whether it's modern art, sculptures, or unique decor items. These pieces create focal points and add character to your living room, making it feel truly curated. Colors and metallics add elegance and amplify natural light. Consider a large ornate mirror or metallic accents like gold or silver on side tables. These reflective elements bring a sense of openness and glamour to the room. Adding a touch of greenery or fresh flowers brings life and balance to a luxury living room. A statement plant or a sophisticated floral arrangement can make the space feel grounded and add a fresh, organic element to the design. Finally, add your personal touch. A few framed photos, designer books, or curated objects give the room personality and warmth. Luxury isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that reflects who you are in the most stylish way. And that's how you create a luxury living room that combines elegance, comfort, and timeless style. With quality pieces, statement decor, and personal touches, you'll have a space that exudes sophistication and warmth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more high-end design inspiration.